Ayan. Meron naman guys. Meet my koala bear. Hello koala bear. Hello baba. Ayan guys. Oh, meron lang kapatid si Kathleen. May baby boy na. May baby boy na talaga tayo. Ayan. May baby boy na mga bebe ko. Oh, bilbil natin. Oh. Laki oh. Mukha na tayong ano. Parang halatang buntis. Halatang buntis. Parang halata. Ayan. May baby boy na si Kathleen guys. Oh, cute. Pangalan daw niya Lucio. Lucio. Meet Lucio. Hello mga bebe loves ko! Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Welcome sa ating panibagong vlog. Dami na nating vlog na hindi ko pa na-edit guys. So happy. At least nakakapag-vlog tayo. Pero wala lang tayong time mag-edit. Kaya so hopefully makapag-edit ako bukas o mamayang gabi kung meron tayong energy. Katapos na lang work natin ng 5, 6:15 na ng actually hapon kasi yung araw ay may araw pa ng alas 6 dito. So, finish getting ready. Waiting na lang ako na pipikapin ako ng 2 friend ko guys. We are going out for dinner tonight. So excited. Tagal namin din nakapag-dinner. No, plano namin to pero matagal na kasi super busy and my work, Christmas, New Year, so much going on. Kaya this time we made sure na makakapag one night dinner man lang kami. So we need it kasi we have been very tired and working so hard. And sis Kat and Kathleen nasa Mato Club sila with mom and dad. So doon sila magdi-dinner. And hinahanap ako ni Kathleen. Sabi niya, ayoko pumunta ng club. Mato Club tawag nila dito guys. Pero hindi siya night club ha. Yung club siya na decente. Pang sa Aussie style yun. So hinahanap daw niya ako. So, pero sabi ni Scott, mom is going out for meeting with work. Kasi pag sinabi kong dinner, syempre, may dahilan naman. Kaya minsan di namin sinasabi yung totoo kay Kathleen. Kasi iyak yun. Gustong sumama. So, just wearing my top from Volliger na para siyang ganyan-ganyan ang style. And then my pants, high-waisted Volliger, my belt. And very simple look for today. Yan, nag-touch up lang tayo guys. Let me know when you downstairs. Alright, so malapit na. I'm so excited to see the girls. Hayal Habibi. So we're just gonna go somewhere nearby. We are thinking to go for Italian this time. And masarap yung pasta nila dun. Very, very hungry. I did not had hindi ako kumain ng lunch. I only have like a little bit dim sum and noodles, like kind of brunch, pero alas 10:30 yun. And since then I did not eat at all, just water, tubig lang. Yeah, so and I'm just wearing yung bag natin guys na nabili ko kay Sis Kat. Nagpa-source ako dito and very happy with this bag. Hindi na ako nag-unboxing mga bebe ko. So, it's my very own, my second YSL na binili sa kanya. Pangarap ko to noon pa. Pero hindi natin siya mabili-bili kasi mahal yung brand yun nito guys. But this is the Prelove luxury brand. And original, authentic siya. Comes with everything. And also, hulugan. So, nahulugan natin sa kanya ito. Like, very, very good price. And yun guys, hulugan, worth it, diba? Prelove, kasi ang hirap, parang it's not worth it na if you have 40% off sa mga luxury brand na brand new, of course it's worth it. Pero pag full price, for me, parang hindi ko talaga siya kayang bumili ng full price na luxury. brand, no? But since January and 2025, iwas-iwas na tayo sa mga ganyan kasi masaya na ako sa collection natin. Meron tayong YSL, may Gucci na tayo, may MCN na tayo, at may LV na tayo. So, okay na ako doon. And all of them, pretty much everything, it's pre-love in a really good condition. Authentic, it comes with everything. And authenticity entropy, lahat guys. So, but I still keep in touch and keep watching with Sisikat pag may mga like good deals, like small goods, like wallet, belt. Pero ito guys, binili ko to ito matagal ko na rin to binili, na naalala nyo, na-unbox ko to. Very, very happy with this one. And yeah, so dami ko na naman kinikenta sa mga bagay-bagay. Pagka tayo ay mababash na naman ng ating mga hater. Parang daming hater, no? Kala mo naman sikat, char. Baka sabihin na, nagyayabang na naman si Inday. O, di ba? Nagyayabang na naman si Inday. Yan naman ang isipin nila. Yabang pa more. Ganyan yung mga, galawan, ng mga salita ng ating mga kapwa kababayan, no? But anyway, so happy. To, super cute nito mga bebe ko. Hindi ko yun na-share, no? Yung regalo namin kay Kathleen, Meet Paddington. Tapos, mayroon pa akong tupiin. Napansin nyo mayroong yung last vlog ko na sinabi ko na meet our baby boy. Sabi ko sa inyo mga baby ko, may baby boy na kami. So, hindi ko pa na-upload. Hindi ko lang kung including yun dito sa vlog na to. But I don't think so. I-upload ko na lang yun ng separate para meron naman tayong Anyway, let's go mga bebe ko. Mag-ready-ready na tayo kasi nandyan na sila, ang aking mga habibi. So, yan. So, yan yung ating outfit for today, guys. Let's go! Dito na sila mga loves. So cute.
Like, you know exactly what they are saying, what they are...
Kain po tayo na. Guys, tayo ngayon sa may Zara. Good morning. It's our day of today. Happy Friday. And I like this shop. Medyo maluwang siya. So, I think I'm gonna get this kasi 22 naman guys. And then yung denim na yun, 22 lang din. So I'm gonna get one size down. Trying some dresses, some coat. I like this white one. I love white. Guys, it is so nice. Ganda no? I like that. Ganda nito guys. Kaya lang, mas type ko yung una. Yeah. Gusto ko yung black and yung I like it. It's so nice. No? Maganda to. Yeah, I like this one too. Ganda din ito mga loves. Pero may ganito na tayo. Pero cute siya, no? Ayan. This one. Better than this one. Di ko na to na vlog guys. Kasi may hiwa sa gitna. And it's parang uncomfortable siya. Ito maganda yung bagsak. Kasi may hiwa niya. And yung wedge. Ko rin tong coat niya. That's so cute. Gusto ko siya kasi yung bata niya may... But I'm not sure. Maybe I lifted the coat. Mas gusto ko yung white kanina. Ang ganda. But also cute.